This is the actual sound of Mars, and what you're about to hear will send chills down your spine. When NASA's Perseverance rover landed, its microphones picked up something unexpected. The Martian wind doesn't howl, it screams with an unearthly, metallic shriek. Mars' thin atmosphere and dust-filled winds create these haunting sounds. But there's another layer, low frequency, rumbles that sound like the planet itself is groaning. Scientists realized these sounds could help them detect dust, devils, and seismic activity. We're literally listening to Mars weather and geology in real time. A dead world that's screaming to be heard. Follow for more cosmic secrets.